Hi, my name is Nikki Pickthorn. Now, last time I told you my story about what is occurring in my body as a result of taking this incredible product called Protandim. And today I want to answer a few of your questions about what it is, this mysterious little yellow pill that is causing a furor all across the world. It's really amazing because it's true. It sounds like it's a scam. It sounds like it can't be real. It sounds like somebody made it up, but it is not. It's the times. It's our generation, our time for this kind of thing to become known and for changes to occur in the body that bring healing. It's just awesome. So the question is, what is Protandim and what does it do? Well, Protandim is made from 5 different ingredients, which are plants, 5 different plants. I'll read you the names: turmeric, milk thistle, bacopa, ashwagandha, and green tea. And Dr. Joe McCord took these products, which have been known, some of them for centuries, in Asian countries to bring healing to various parts of the body, but they didn't understand it. And what Dr. McCord has discovered is that in this particular combination of things he put together in our Protandim yellow pill is the key to unlocking within the cells itself enzymes that go to work and actually heal your body from within. It does sound like it can't be true, but it is true. As you can tell from my story that I told you last time, and from hundreds of other stories that are on the web about healings that have occurred, there are no claims that we can make that it heals, that Protandim heals. What heals is the body itself. It heals itself by the change that's occurring within the cells. And what happens, I'm sure you've heard of free radical technology. Free radicals became known in the 70s, but Dr. McCord discovered superoxide dismutase in 1968, and that was the beginning of what is called free radical biology, which was discovered by Dr. McCord, who has put together this Protandim, this amazing pill that is causing the body to heal itself. So it's an amazing thing, but it's true. But there are so many people that debunk it, and ABC anchorman John Quinones was one of those, and he actually called them up and said, "I'd like to do a program of what you're doing," and he was going to go show the world on ABC TV Live that it was just a scam. But what happened was he went through the process. He had his blood taken, and then 2 weeks later went back, and Dr. McCord showed him that the free radicals had reduced from that of his middle age down to a newborn infant. And that occurs every time. And the amazing thing is, and that's within 30 days of taking it. And it changes as you go on more. It gets rid of more free radicals. And the free radicals are what cause damage within the cells and cause disease. And so every disease starts from that process, which was certainly news to me. I was very ignorant when I began this, and I still struggle, so forgive me if I don't really give a scientific explanation. But I want you to know that it fights diseases, and it fights aging. And some of those things which it fights are Parkinson's, heart failure, cardiovascular problems, myocardial infarction, Alzheimer's, schizophrenia, bipolar cancer, and it's really true. And there are many, many testimonials out there that it's actually doing that. It's causing the healing from within. So it's not, but I want you to know that it is not a prescription. So a pharmacy company can't have it and can't charge it the astronomical hundreds that they would want to, or else want to kill it because they would kill their other chemical medications. And it's a formula that just activates the enzymes within the cells. And I just want to repeat that a couple of times because it's a little strange to understand. That's really what happens within the cell. It has been, I want to get back to John Quinones. He had to admit that it was really true. And there are not just ABC, but many, many of the media in whatever fashion. Wall Street Journal, ABC, Today, Utah Women Magazine, Healing Quest, Direct Selling News, Living Well, and Donny Osmond, and Montel Williams also is using it and finding good results in his own physical needs. Rodeo News is even on it. For us Midwesterners, that's a big plus. And Health Denver's Best Doctors and Dentists, and ARP. And what's come out on the American Medical Association has a group called actually it's the government that has it. It's pubmed.gov. You have your cup of coffee or tea, grab a sip, it's good. I wanted to talk to you now about pubmed.gov, which is a government site that has, it's a library of researchers and what they have found medically, and they are a peer-reviewed study. Actually means that peer review means those who have the same kind of education that Dr. McCord have and that kind of knowledge and are going to go examine it in the same diligent manner in which Dr. McCord put it together. And they're going to either say yes or they're going to say no. But every single person working on that study has to agree or it can't be published. So what is amazing is that Protandim has all those peer-reviewed studies. And the studies have been published in prestigious medical journals with funding from sources that include the American Heart Association and the National Institutes of Health. And if you really want to examine that, you can go yourself to the internet and type in pubmed.gov and type in Protandim, and it will bring up those articles which validate Dr. McCord's discoveries. I want you to know that there is just tremendous science behind this. It is really true. And all the things that I told you about my body and how it's interacting, we can't say it heals because it doesn't. What it does is it activates the cells within your body to do the healing from within. And that's the magic of it. NikiPicky6327@gmail.com. And if you want to contact me, I would be delighted to talk to you about it. Thanks. I'll talk to you next teacup time.